Be honest with yourself for a second. You feel like you are falling behind, don't you? You wake up, promise yourself that today will be different, that you will focus on your projects, save money, and change your life. But before you know it, it's 11 p.m. You are exhausted, lying in bed, scrolling through your phone, watching other people's lives happen, while yours stays exactly the same. Don't feel guilty. You are not lazy, and you are not incapable. You are simply overwhelmed by a world designed to steal your attention. But there is a way out. An escape route most people are too afraid to take. You don't need another productivity app. You need to disappear. Welcome to the Quiet Shift. Today, we are going to talk about monk mode, the exact 6-month protocol of strategic isolation that will rewire your brain, clean up your finances, and rebuild your life from scratch. Silence your phone. Pay attention. To understand why monk mode works, you first need to understand what broke you. We live in the attention economy. The greatest minds of our generation, the best engineers in Silicon Valley, are not curing diseases. They are writing computer codes with one single goal: to hack your dopamine and keep you addicted to the screen. Every notification, every short video, every late-night impulse buy gives your brain a cheap hit of pleasure. The problem? This cheap pleasure destroys your ability to exert long-term effort. That is why you can't sit down and focus for 2 hours to learn a new skill. That is why your money disappears every month on purchases you don't even remember making. Your mind is too loud. Your focus has been hijacked. And guess what? Where your attention goes, your money follows. The world is not going to slow down for you to catch up. No one is coming to save you. If you want to take back control of your mind and your wallet, you need to pull the handbrake on purpose. This is where ancient sages and modern millionaires meet. This is where we activate monk mode. Monk mode is not about running away from the world because you are afraid of it. It is about retreating strategically to build an unfair advantage. The Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius once said, "People look for retreats in the country, by the ocean, in the mountains. But you can, at any hour, retire into yourself." That is exactly what we are going to do. Silence is the secret weapon of people who build generational wealth and unshakable peace. While 99% of people are desperate for attention, posting every move they make and arguing in comment sections, you are going to do the opposite. You are going to go quiet. Monk mode is a non-negotiable 6-month commitment of singular focus. It is the act of cutting out all distractions, all outside opinions, and all cheap pleasures, so you can channel 100% of your energy into building your future. Think of it like a tunnel. It will be dark at first, and you will miss the noise. But the person who walks out the other side of that tunnel will not be the same person who walked in. Enough theory. Grab a pen and paper. Here is the exact protocol for your next 6 months. Monk mode is supported by 3 unbreakable pillars. The first pillar is dopamine restriction. Starting tomorrow, you will cut out alcohol, junk food, and the mindless use of social media. If it is not paying you or teaching you, you will not consume it. Delete the apps from your phone if you have to. For the first few days, your brain will panic. It will beg for a notification, for a short video. Let it scream. Learn to sit in the silence and feel the boredom. Boredom is the place where creativity and mental clarity are born. Second pillar is the deep work window. You will choose one single high-value skill. It could be coding, sales, video editing, copywriting, or building a business. You will lock yourself in your room for 2 to 4 hours a day, with your phone in another room, and you will work on it brutally and uninterrupted. No music with lyrics, no open browser tabs, just you and the work. 4 hours of absolute focus are worth more than 14 hours of hard work pretending to be busy in an office. This is the financial leverage that will change your life. The third pillar is silent detachment. You will not announce to anyone that you are doing monk mode. Do not post on Instagram that you are changing your life. Move in total silence. When your friends ask why you are not going out on Saturday night, just say you are focused on a project. The energy you waste trying to prove to others that you are growing is the exact energy you need to actually grow. Protect your energy. 6 months seems like a long time when you are scrolling through your feed. But that time will pass anyway. The only difference is where you will be when it is over. Do you want to be exactly where you are today, complaining that the system is unfair? Or do you want to be at a level of mental and financial freedom that most people cannot even comprehend? The choice has always been yours. Society wants you distracted, poor, and exhausted. The greatest act of modern rebellion is focusing deeply on yourself. If you are ready to disappear and do the work, welcome to the shift. Subscribe to the channel so you don't lose your focus. Turn off this video. Go rebuild your life. We will see you on the other side. Rebuild, reflect, rise.